Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I think this is like part 4 of this. I finally got it. I just wasn't understanding the way she was explaining it. She wants the plaque to have the mountain cut out. I thought she just meant the mountains itself cut out. So today she sends me a sketch of it. So let's just take our mountain and put it back, and I'm just going to nudge it back up. But what I want to do, I want the outside to conform to that mountain. So I'm going to go, and it's a solid figure, so I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. Let's say it's going to be, well, that's pretty big, so let's make it 1 inch to the outside with rounded corners. You see, we kind of get that shape. Now what we can do is go to Object and break the contour part. And then you got to figure out how big you want your plaque to be. And I'm going to take my rectangle tool and put it on that midpoint and get it about there. We can always stretch it, downwardly, whatever we want. And if we, then we can take the virtual segment delete key and delete these inside lines. And then even this. So this is going to be, that's perfect. We need to check see if we're close. Yeah, and see I'm actually drawing. I need to change that to a hairline because you can really see it a little bit better. Looks like it's a little, there we go. That looks pretty good. So there's your plaque. Now, regardless if you're going to use this mountain or not, there's the shape of the plaque. I would actually delete that, so you have to go to Object and break the curve apart and take away, because that's like a contour that it did. So let's say our plaque is, and also, I don't know if she wants, this other part like that. Let's put that mountain back. So that's going to kind of conform. Let's put our Montana back. We need to move it down a little bit. I made my plaque maybe a little bit too big. And so I'd actually fix that right there. So this is going to be let's just do this. Let's get this out of the way. Get that out of the way. And what I want to do is fill this in with a Smart Fill tool so it's all one piece. Then I'm going to go down. I'm going to left click, right click. I need to set it back to a hairline. Make sure it's a hairline. Get rid of this. See, this is in 2 pieces. So now I'm nudging up and over, and then we can nudge these over. So if she still wants to cut these out like we did in the previous videos and then paint them a different color, she can do that. Now, if she wanted it, well, if you look at her drawing, she just has it like this. You could possibly round off the corners, just to give it some roundness. You could take this. I don't know if this is what she wants to do, but let's go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and see how I've rounded that off 2 inches. Round that off 2 inches. Kind of goes with a motif, maybe. So that's what it's going to look like. So let's just kind of do it like this. Let's say this is going to be a brown wooden plaque. Okay, and we're going to take and make the mountains black and glue them on top. And then all this will be, I think, engraved. I'm not 100% sure. Take away the outline and nudge that over. Now, see, you can't see it. Go to Object, Order, Front of Page. That's what it's going to look like. I'm surely hoping that helped her this time, and thank you for watching.